I want to go wash my hair by myself. Remember, I said I was going to go to the salon to wash it off, but I kind of have shampoo at home. So this is the shampoo I'm going to be using to wash off my hair by myself in the house. Instead of going to the salon, see as I'm sweating. I can't wait to get under the shower. I'm starting off by taking off my dress. Right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my good lord. I forgot to bring my comb. Don't forget I have eyelashes on and water makes it weak. So I am going to go and get my comb. This is my comb. As I'm washing, I'll be combing as well. So I forgot that I have eyelashes on. First of all, wash the hair. Ooh. No, this is better to wash your hair by yourself. I feel this is better. But it might even come off today. So just minimize the usage because I'm be using it twice. Oh no. This has some nice fragrance. Just so you know, this is my second wash after relaxing. So let me wash first time. Hmm. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Mm. 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 Show me my eyes. Oh, good. Oh, my eyes are getting red. Mhm. The last and final thing I have to apply to my hair, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner to mix the hair. And this time around, I won't be washing it off because this is conditioner. It is known as leave-in. Leave-in for a reason. Hmm. So I'm using it to soften my hair. Okay, guys, you can see it. I start to comb again. And after this combing, I'm leaving the conditioner in my hair because leave-in conditioners are not meant to be washed off your hair. So it dries with my hair just before I go to plait it. Person plaiting it is coming to the house. So I'm going to plait the hair today. Someone should tell me that it's not compulsory and that nothing will happen to my hair if I don't dry it with hair dryer. Because I'm going to, after combing it now, I'm going to air dry, natural air dry. That's what I mean. Dry. So guys, please share your opinion on having your hair care done by yourself in the house, not using hair dryer, because of the products that touch my body. I'm gonna be having my plate to wash it off. So this is my soap. I don't apply soap on my face. So see you guys.